What are the basic components required for a clipping circuit? Option A, diode and resistor. Option B, transistor and diode. Option C, diode and capacitor. Option D, capacitor and resistor. উত্তর হবে option A, diode and resistor. What is the name of circuit? Option A, half wave rectifier. Option B, full wave rectifier. Option C, combination clipper. Option D, DC restorer circuit. উত্তর হবে option C, combination clipper. Which circuit gives the output waveform? Option A, peak clipper. Option B, combination clipper. Option C, biased negative clipper. Option D, biased positive clipper. উত্তর হবে option D, biased positive clipper. Which circuit is used to clip portion of both positive and negative half cycle of input signal voltage? Option A, combination clipper circuit. Option B, biased negative clipper circuit. Option C, biased positive clipper circuit. Option D, unbiased clipper circuit. উত্তর হবে option A, combination clipper circuit. Which application the clamper circuit is used in electronics? Option A, radars. Option B, radio receiver. Option C, storage counters. Option D, power suppliers. উত্তর হবে option D, power suppliers. What is the use of clamper in electronic circuit? Option A, for slicing both peaks. Option B, for positive peak clipping. Option C, for negative peak clipping. Option D, for DC component restoration. উত্তর হবে option D, for DC component restoration. What is the name of the circuit that shifts the original signal in a vertical downward direction? Option A, peak clipper circuit. Option B, negative clamping circuit. Option C, positive clamping circuit. Option D, combination clipper circuit. উত্তর হবে option B, negative clamping circuit. What is the function of the circuit diagram? Option A, series diode clipper. Option B, positive shunt clipper. Option C, negative shunt clipper. Option D, combination clipper. উত্তর হবে option B, positive shunt clipper. What is the function of the circuit diagram? Option A, negative series clipper. Option B, series diode clipper. Option C, positive shunt clipper. Option D, negative shunt clipper. উত্তর হবে option B, series diode clipper. Which circuit gives the output waveform? Option A, negative clipper. Option B, biased negative clipper. Option C, combination clipper. Option D, positive shunt clipper. উত্তর হবে option A, negative clipper. Which type of clipper is that a small portion of the negative half cycle of signal is removed? Option A, biased positive clipper. Option B, biased negative clipper. Option C, combination clipper. Option D, positive clamper. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি biased negative clipper. What is the name of the circuit that shifts the waveform upward or downward without disturbing its shape? Option A clipper circuit. Option B clumper circuit. Option C biased clipper circuit. Option D combination clipper circuit. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি clumper circuit. Which circuit gives the output waveform? Option A peak clipper. Option B combination clipper. Option C biased negative clipper. Option D biased negative clipper. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি biased negative clipper. What is the function performed by the circuit? Option A positive clamper. Option B combination clipper. Option C biased positive clipper. Option D biased negative clipper. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি combination clipper. What is the function of clipper circuit? Option A regulation. Option B rectification. Option C amplification. Option D wave shaping. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি wave shaping. What is the name of the circuit that shifts the original signal in a vertical upward direction? Option A peak clipper circuit. Option B negative clamping circuit. Option C positive clamping circuit. Option D combination clipper circuit. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি positive clamping circuit. Which circuit shapes the input signal and gives the output waveform? Option A negative clamper. Option B positive clamper. Option C negative shunt clipper. Option D positive shunt clipper. উত্তর হবে অপশন বি positive clamper. What should be the time constant T is equal to RC for a good clamper circuit with reference to time period of the input signal? Option A half the time period of signal. Option B double the time of signal frequency. Option C 5 times the time period of signal. Option D RC valves should be at least 10 times. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি RC valves should be at least 10 times. What is the value of output voltage during the negative half cycle across the diode in the negative clamper circuit shown? Option A 0 voltage. Option B equal to input voltage. Option C double the input voltage. Option D half of the input voltage. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি double the input voltage. When does the biased negative clipper removes the portion of input signal? Option A during the positive half cycle of input. Option B signal voltage is lesser than bias battery voltage. Option C signal voltage equals the bias battery voltage. Option D signal voltage becomes greater than bias battery voltage. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি signal voltage becomes greater than bias battery voltage. When does the biased positive clipper removes the portion of input signal? Option A during the negative half cycle of input. Option B signal voltage is lesser than bias battery voltage. Option C signal voltage equals the bias battery voltage. Option D signal voltage becomes greater than bias battery voltage. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি সিগন্যাল ভোল্টেজ becomes greater than bias battery voltage. Which circuit shapes the input signal and gives the output waveform? Option A negative clumper. Option B positive clumper. Option C negative diode clipper. Option D positive diode clipper. উত্তর হবে অপশন A negative clumper. What is the value of output voltage during the positive half cycle across the diode in positive clamper circuit shown? Option A 0 voltage. Option B equal to input voltage. Option C double the input voltage. Option D half of the input voltage. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি ডবল দ্য ইনপুট ভোল্টেজ।